Kulolu suku lothisha emhlabeni, ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo ubalule umbumqoka balomsebenzi wabesememezela ukuthi bazokhipha imifundaze entsheni efuna ukufundela ubuthishela.
We are also in the process of reprioritizing the Fundza Lusaka Bursary priority areas, and this is a response to the emerging areas of specializations occasioned by, amongst others, the Fourth Industrial Revolution and policy imperatives.
Motshekga uthi bazokwethula uhlelo lwemfundo olufaka ubuchwepheshe besimanje kusukela ku-grade R kuya ku-grade 9.
Plans are afoot to introduce a robotic curriculum from grade R to 9, and this curriculum will ensure that our schooling system produces learners with foundation for future work and equip them with skills for the changing world. Centuries ago, people who could read and write were in a position of power and controlled both present and the future.
Kube wathi kunezinye izindawo ezidinga ukuthuthukiswa lapho sesincane khona kakhulu isibalo sabesifazane abasezikhundleni.
According to the Teaching and Learning International Survey Tallies 2018, teachers of South Africa were female, which compared reasonably well with organized economic cooperation development average of 68%. However, Tallies also indicated that only 22% of those teachers are in principals. Of those female teachers are principal. This is less than half of what the OECD world showed.
Uphinde wabonga umsebenzi omuhle owenziwa uthisha.
We honor them, we appreciate them, we value them because sinjenje ngabo.
Ezindabeni zesiZulu lapha kwa SABC 1 sifisela bonke othisha usuku lwabo oluhle.